457 days ago, another war started, not in Ukraine but in Israel, and the war is still going on. Yeah, I believe there are 100 people killed yesterday in Gaza, so the war is still going on. Welcome today on Monday, January the 6th, 2025. We have 3 regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, 4 stars Sudoku, and the binary. We have also an additional with extra puzzles for the evening. We have 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars Sudoku. We have a 4 star Sudoku and 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with a 1 star in Dutch, they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now, but in the evening. Now I will start with these 3 regular puzzles. First one is the 3 stars Sudoku number 9847. Yeah, 9847. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one I believe has 26 printed digits. Well, usually the 3 stars has 25. This one has 26. Should be at 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, we need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. For 3 stars, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So the question is this a 2 stars or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. There are 5 nines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let me start with a 9. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So the row between. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so will come next. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9, 9. Well, I cannot continue with the 9. How about the 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column. The only place left for the 4, 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 2, 2, 7. Need 8 here. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for 2 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square, one of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in these 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in the third row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in the middle column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next down. The place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row, so the first row. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 in these 3 boxes. We have 1 in this column, no 1 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next, so that column, no, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column, so the first column. Only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 1. Okay. Then let me see. Still the 9 cannot continue. 5 and the 8. Yeah. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below, so last row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the third row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 4. Okay, and now I can continue with the 9. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column, so the third column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 in the column next, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 9. All right. Then 6, 5, 7. Okay. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column, so in the first column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the last row, 7 in that row, so the row between, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next, so in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 7. 2 missing numbers now in this row. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes, so 1 digit left in this big square for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 1 box left now in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing, 3 and 5, 3 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here, 3 and 5, that means in this first column should be also 3 and 5. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 6 is missing, 5 and 6, 5 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here, 1 number left in this column for number. The 1, the 2 is missing. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the third row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row, so in the first row. Only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the third column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. And the 2s are used. I can see digit number 5 and number 2. Alright, 2 numbers left now in the third row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7 and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Let me mark those. That means 1 digit left in this big square for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 1 box left in the last column for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing here. Then here 2 numbers left. The 3 and the 5 are left in this row, first row. We have a 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be and a 6 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 now in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. 6 and a 5, we have a 5 in this third column, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 6 goes there. Then let me see. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 3 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 5 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in, 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above from that row. The only place left for the 5 should be there. 1 box left now in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 and 8, we have 3 now in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. And final 2 numbers, 8 and a 5. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 5 goes there. 11 minutes. Well, we solve it again. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Should be at 0 stars and faster than 14, 13 minutes. So well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the other 2 regular puzzles, the 4 Stars Sudoku and the binary. Until then, bye bye for now.